Hi, hello, namaste, good evening everyone, my pretty and beautiful ladies. I'm at Brand Mandir store to showcase beautiful Kanchipattu sarees andi. Let's start with the mannequins. Now back to our collection. The saree which I am wearing is light pista green with a combination of stunning black. All over floral booties, very pretty floral booties, and the border is cross cutty with paisleys and round booties. Contrast border, and this is the beautiful rich pallu, contrast floral brocade with border, and blouse వచ్చేసి contrast black color with border వస్తుందండి. And ఈ saree pricing and details, and keep following us regularly in Instagram and Facebook Brand Mandir page. And ఈ saree pricing and details, here we go. Take a screenshot along with the code and send us on 733-733-7000. Beautiful saree. Follow us regularly in Instagram, Facebook and Brand Mandir page. అలాగే YouTube లో కూడా మా ఛానల్ Brand Mandir ని లైక్ చేయండి, షేర్ చేయండి, సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేయండి, and press the bell icon so that whenever we upload new collection you'll be getting notified. Another beautiful saree. ఈ సారీ వచ్చేసి జామెట్రికల్ బ్లాక్స్ వచ్చిందండి. గ్రీన్ కలర్, మల్టీ కలర్స్ జామెట్రిక్ బ్లాక్స్ వచ్చాయి, రౌండ్ సర్కిల్స్, ట్రయాంగిల్స్, అండ్ బార్డర్ ఈస్ కడ్డీ బార్డర్. Pallu is completely diamond brocade. And blouse is self color plain blouse with border. And the beautiful saree pricing and details. I-77 is the code, 6067 is the price. Take a screenshot and send us on 733-733-7000. Lovely saree. Let's see another gorgeous saree. It's a lavender color with beige combination. All over paisleys, thread paisley booties, and border is silver zigzag kaddi border and cream color lo elephant and peacock border వచ్చిందండి golden zari తో. And this is the pallu, complete spherical curve lines and booties along with the peacock and elephant border. And blouse is contrast with border. Actually saree వచ్చేసి beige color పైన thread work తో కంప్లీట్ గా పర్పుల్ థ్రెడ్ తో ఇలా క్రాస్ లైన్స్ వచ్చాయండి. So it's looking like lavender color. And ee saree pricing and details. 5,739. I-84 is the code. Take a screenshot and send us on 733 733 7000. Lovely saree. And chala reasonable prices. These are Kanchipattu sarees. Yeah. Another beautiful saree, peach color. Self florals vachai with leaves. Border is cross cutty border along with the peacock and floral border. Pallu is completely intricate lines vachayandi, different borders vachai, lines, pastels, florals, leaves tho alternate ga. And blouse is also self plain blouse with border. You can go for contrast silver color blouse. Beautiful Kanchipattu saree. And ee saree price 7,707. Take a screenshot along with the code I-95 and send us on 733 733 7000. Gorgeous saree. Let's see another pretty saree. Wow, beautiful parrot green with a combination of pink color. So beautiful. All over cross lines, cross patties vachai, florals to pastels to, and border contrast with florals and beautiful peacocks with Meena and Zari. Pallu is contrast kaddi with huge floral buttas and peacocks. Blouse is contrast with border. So pretty combination kada. Price vachesi 8,527. Take a screenshot along with the code E18 and send us on 733 733 7000. Let's see another beautiful saree. Grey and black combination. Half and half saree. ఇది వచ్చేసి వేస్ట్ దగ్గర నుంచి వస్తుందండి అండ్ లోపల వైపు ప్లీట్స్ కి ఇలా వస్తుంది. డైమండ్ బ్రొకేడ్ and kaddi border. This is the border. Zigzag lines and lines with rangoli design. Zigzag blocks వచ్చాయి పల్లులో. And the blouse is contrast black color blouse with border. And the saree price 5,739. I-107 is the code. Take a screenshot along with the code and send us on 733 733 7000. So beautiful. Wow, beautiful peacock color, peacock blue and green shades, very beautiful. And madhyalo anta thread brocade ochindi, diamond booties. Border is patola style, like geometric floral booties వచ్చాయి. ఇక్కత్ స్టైల్ లో వచ్చింది. Beautiful pallu, contrast pallu with zigzags, diamond booties, cross lines and florals, different blocks వచ్చాయి pallulo. And blouse is contrast with self brocade and border. Superb ga undandi saree. Chaala gorgeous ga different ga undi saree matram. Ee saree pricing and details I-70 is the code. 11,889 is the price. Take a screenshot and send us on 733 733 7000. సో బ్యూటిఫుల్. ఈ సారీ డీటెయిల్స్ ఒకసారి చూసేద్దాం. వావ్, my favorite yellow color saree, so pretty with the combination of purple color. All over floral booties వచ్చాయి, drop shape floral booties, and border వచ్చేసి lines checks with unicorns and peacocks. Pallu cross lines with floral vines borders, cross borders వచ్చాయి, and the blouse is contrast with brocade and border. Superb ga undi saree. And ee saree pricing and details. B140 is the code. Price vachesi 11,479. Take a screenshot and send us on 733 733 7000. So beautiful. Wow, another beautiful saree which is in green and black combination. All over thread buttas, thread floral booties vachayandi, and border is contrast with round booties. Pallu is completely round brocade with florals, and contrast black color blouse with border. And ee saree pricing and details. I93 is the code. 7,297 is the price. Take a screenshot and send us on 733 733 7000. So pretty saree. Let's see another gorgeous saree. Do visit our store. It's in road number 56, Jubilee Hills near Peddamma Temple, and one more store is at road number 10, Banjara Hills, and they both are in Hyderabad. This saree vachesi beautiful peach color, peachish pink and grey color. It's a black. All over florals vachai, thread floral booties and vines, and downside we got cross kaddi, thread cross kaddi with paisley booties, beautiful paisleys. Pallu zigzag brocade pallu, and the blouse is plain ochindi, contrast plain blouse with without border. Superb ga undandi saree, different ga undi, light weight undi chala. And ee saree price 7,707. I83 is the code. Take a screenshot and send us on 733 733 7000. మంచి ఒక లాంటి బ్లష్ పింక్ అండి, పీచిష్ పింక్. అనదర్ సారీ గ్రీన్ కలర్, సో ప్రెటీ. సెల్ఫ్ బ్లాక్స్ వచ్చాయి. బార్డర్ కాంట్రాస్ట్ లైట్ గ్రీన్ కలర్, పిస్తా గ్రీన్ కలర్ లో ఉంది. కంప్లీట్ సిల్వర్ తో ఫ్లోరల్స్ వచ్చాయి, పాస్లేస్ ఫ్లోరల్స్ అండ్ వైన్స్. క్రాస్ కడ్డీ పళ్ళు, and this is the blouse, contrast with border. And ee saree pricing and details 4,263. Take a screenshot along with the code I79 and send us on 733 733 7000. So beautiful. Another gorgeous saree. And we ship globally within Hyderabad. Cash and delivery option kuda available lo undandi. And look at this gorgeous saree which is in brown color. Lovely coffee brown. Complete floral jal ochindi. Floral cross vines lo floral booties vachai. And this is the border. kaddi with floral vines border with edge contrast. Pallu cross zigzag along with the kaddi with floral vines borders. This is the blouse, contrast with border, superb ga undi. And ee saree pricing and details. Take a screenshot along with the code C889. Price is 9,839. Send us on 733-733-7000. Gorgeous saree andi, chaala pretty ga undi saree. 9,839 maatrame kanchipattu saree. Another beautiful saree. Wow, so pretty saree. Beige color. All over thread, self thread tone vachayandi, florals and blocks, and very lovely border, diamond brocade. And pallu vachesi self color with complete brocade, diamond brocade. Blouse is plain with border, self plain blouse with border. And e-saree pricing and details. Take a screenshot along with the code D963 and send us on 733-733-7000. So pretty saree. Let's see another gorgeous saree. Wow, black color with silver combination. All over blocks vachai, different kind of blocks, diamonds, cross, zigzag, drop shape, anni blocks lo design vachindandi, intricate blocks. And look at the border, zigzag with diamonds and cross lines border along with the floral vines. Pallu cross spherical curvy lines vachandi, kaddi with parsley booties. And blouse is contrast, a self color with border, plain self blouse with border. And you can go for contrast silver color blouse, chala baguntundi. And for such kind of beautiful blouses, contact our brand, Arfur Rukmani, another brand from Brand Mandar, which is exclusive for the unique designs. Any query regarding designing, just WhatsApp us on 733-733-7000. And e-saree pricing and details. 15,989 and the code is MJ4136. Take a screenshot and send us on 733-733-7000. Stunning black color. Let's see another gorgeous saree. Wow, mustardish orange and orange combination. All over peacock and round booties vachai, oval shaped floral booties and peacock booties. Border kuda different ga undi, thread to self color thread to diamond brocade and curvy lines vachayandi. Andulopala complete ga manaki peacocks and florals vachai, elephants and peacocks. And pallu different ga vachindi, red color lo, zigzag borders, thread color with intricate lines, self thread to. And blouse is contrast red color with border. And e-saree pricing and details 11,889. Along with, take a screenshot along with the code I82 and send us on 733-733-7000. Another beautiful saree, lovely blue, very pretty. All over floral booties vachai in parsley shape, curves. Border vachesi deers vachayandi, oka forest theme laga, trees and deers with a shredded సిల్వర్ జరీ. పల్లు అలాగే సేమ్ ఫారెస్ట్ థీమ్ బార్డర్ వచ్చింది విత్ డేట్స్ అండ్ ట్రీస్. డౌన్ సైడ్ we got parsley and parsley booties in lines, intricate lines with silver zari, and the blouse is contrast with border. Beautiful kada. This is the blouse. And ee saree pricing and details 11,069. Take a screenshot along with the code C844 and send us on 733 733 7000. Another gorgeous saree, lovely pink, all over checks with peacock and round booties. This is the border, kaddi with curved lines and peacock booties. Pallu complete diamond blocks వచ్చాయి with border. Blouse is contrast with border. Kalnita saree andi, and ee saree pricing and details. I-71 is the code, 11,475 is the price. Take a screenshot and send us on 733 733 7000. Very gorgeous pink. And దీనికి కాంట్రాస్ట్ బాటిల్ గ్రీన్ వేసుకున్నా కూడా చాలా బ్యూటిఫుల్గా ఉంటుంది. And do follow us regularly in Instagram and Facebook బ్రాండ్ మందిర్ పేజ్ ఫాలో అవ్వండి. అండ్ యూట్యూబ్లో కూడా మా ఛానల్ బ్రాండ్ మందిర్ని లైక్ చేయండి, షేర్ చేయండి, సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేయండి, and press the bell icon so that whenever we upload new collection you'll be getting notification. It's another beautiful saree. And you can log on to our website, that is www.brandmandir.com, for more latest collection. ఈ saree వచ్చేసి navy blue color, half and half. Upper side we got beautiful pastel brocade, and down side we got complete florals, drop shape floral booties, and border వచ్చేసి self color with silver kadi lines with V-shaped lines and leaf border. Pallu వచ్చేసి complete intricate lines, golden zari తో వచ్చింది, florals, stripes and lines, and blouse వచ్చేసి self plain blouse with border. And ee saree pricing and details 14,349. Take a screenshot along with the code and send us on 733 733 7000. Beautiful saree. You go for contrast silver color blouse వేసుకున్నా కూడా చాలా బ్యూటిఫుల్ గా ఉంటుంది. And it's another pretty saree. Wow, lovely pink color, peachish pink color, all over floral booties lines వచ్చాయి, and downside we got zari stripes and floral booties continue అయ్యాయి. Border వచ్చేసి kaddi with pastelis and cross kaddi border. Contrast pallu with diamond cross lines with florals in it, cross diamonds and florals in it, and the blouse is contrast with zari lines and border booties, self booties వచ్చాయి with border. And ee saree pricing and details I-72 is the code, price వచ్చేసి 6,149. Take a screenshot and send us on 733 733 7000. Let's see another pretty saree. Lovely blue and pink combination without border saree andi, all over booties వచ్చాయి, diamond booties. కింద వచ్చేసి డ్రాప్ షేప్ బూటీస్ అండ్ ఇంట్రికేట్ లీవ్స్ వచ్చాయి. అండ్ పళ్ళు కూడా ఇంట్రికేట్ లీవ్స్, dotted lines with spherical design, curvy lines and cross kaddi border. Blouse is contrast plain blouse. And ee saree pricing and details 10,659. Take a screenshot along with the code MJ2639. Send us on 733 733 7000. Another gorgeous saree, peach and pink color, complete floral booties. Border వచ్చేసి self florals with border, lines, triangles. పళ్ళు వచ్చేసి zari floral brocade with border. Contrast pallu andi, and the blouse is contrast with border. Peach and pink, very lovely combination. And the saree pricing and details 11,889. Take a screenshot along with the code and send us on 733 733 7000. Beautiful saree. And we ship globally within Hyderabad. Cash and delivery option kuda available la undi. So silver and black tissue saree, all over checks with peacock booties. And border వచ్చేసి contrast cross kaddi with florals. Pallu is contrast with lines and florals in it. And మధ్యలో వచ్చేసి huge floral booties వచ్చాయి basley తో, cross kaddi with basley booty. And blouse is contrast with border. And ee saree pricing and details 20,499 and the code is MJ4512. Take a screenshot and send us on 733 733 7000. ఈ సారీ డీటెయిలింగ్ ఒకసారి చూసేద్దాం. వావ్, నేను కట్టుకున్న శారీలో ఇంకొక కలర్ అండి, పీచ్ అండ్ బ్లాక్ కాంబినేషన్ అద్రిపోయింది. ఆల్ ఓవర్ ఫ్లోరల్ బూటీస్ వచ్చాయి. Border is cross kaddi with pasleys. Pallu is contrast with floral brocade and border, cross kaddi border. And blouse vachesi contrast plain black blouse with border. And the beautiful saree pricing and details 13,119. I90 is the code. Take a screenshot and send us on 733 733 7000. ఇందాక నేను చూపించాను కదండి గ్రే అండ్ బ్లాక్ కలర్, ఒకసారి డీటెయిల్ గా చూసేద్దాం. Now back to our collection, and let's talk about this thing, neck piece, a lovely neck set with earrings. ఇదంతా కంప్లీట్ సెట్ వచ్చేసి 7,600. and ఈ టూ బ్యాంగిల్స్ పేర్ అండి, ఇట్స్ నాట్ ద మిడిల్ వన్. ఈ టూ బ్యాంగిల్స్ వచ్చేసి 8,265. కంప్లీట్ ఎమరాల్డ్స్ వచ్చాయి విత్ సీజెట్స్. Beautiful saree, pink color, lovely saree. Saree anta plain వచ్చిందండి with buttas వచ్చాయి, different style of buttas. Cherries వచ్చాయి. అండ్ వితౌట్ బార్డర్. ఇది వచ్చేసి షోల్డర్ పార్ట్ దగ్గర నుంచి పళ్ళు వరకు వచ్చేస్తుంది ఇలా ఫ్లోరల్స్తో. ఇట్స్ యాంటిక్ జరీ. అండ్ దిస్ ఇస్ ద పళ్ళు కంటిన్యూషన్. సేమ్ కర్వ్స్, ఫ్లోరల్స్, హ్యూజ్ ఫ్లోరల్స్. అండ్ బ్లౌజ్ ఈ సెల్ఫ్ ప్లెయిన్ బ్లౌజ్ వస్తుంది. అండ్ ఈ సారీ ప్రైసింగ్ అండ్ డీటెయిల్స్ 10,069. Take a screenshot along with the code MJ4939 and 11,069 andi. Take a screenshot along with the code and send us on 733 733 7000. గౌరీ పాటిల్ గారు హాయ్ అండి. అండ్ మీరు ఇందాక అడిగారు కదండి ఆరెంజ్ అండ్ సీ గ్రీన్. లెట్స్ సీ దిస్ సారీ. Let's see another beautiful saree. Wow, grey and black. All over silver zari lines వచ్చాయి stripes లాగా and cross diamonds వచ్చాయండి self thread తో. This is the border. Decreasing order lines వచ్చాయి and triangular and diamonds with thread color. Black thread. And idinta complete curves with pastelis brocade. Blouse is contrast black color with stripes and border. And ee saree pricing and details 8,855. Take a screenshot along with the code I78. Send us on 733 733 7000. And one more beautiful saree. Wow, it's a కంచిపట్టు saree but కోటా సిల్క్ లాగా ఉంటుందండి ఫ్యాబ్రిక్ అలా. అండ్ ఆల్ ఓవర్ చెక్స్ వచ్చాయి కోటా స్టైల్లో వచ్చింది. కంప్లీట్ ఫ్లోరల్ బుటీస్ వచ్చాయి ఇన్ రౌండ్స్. అండ్ బార్డర్ ఈస్ కాంట్రాస్ట్ రాయల్ బ్లూ విత్ చెక్స్ ఇన్ పికాక్స్ అండ్ మధ్యలో ప్లెయిన్ బార్డర్. And lovely pallu kaddi with florals, floral vines border, blocks and peacocks and blocks. And contrast blouse. And e saree pricing and details 11,479. Take a screenshot along with the code F43 and send us on 733 733 7000. Yellow and grey color చాలా బ్యూటిఫుల్ గా ఉంది. అండ్ లైన్స్ వచ్చాయండి డాటెడ్ లైన్స్ వచ్చాయి థ్రెడ్ లైన్స్ అక్కడక్కడ. అండ్ బార్డర్ ఈస్ కాంట్రాస్ట్ విత్ థ్రెడ్ బొకేట్ అండ్ సిల్వర్ జరీతో ఫ్లోరల్ వైన్స్ బార్డర్. పళ్ళు కంప్లీట్ కర్వీ లైన్స్ విత్ ఫ్లోరల్స్ కర్వీ చాల్. Blouse is contrast plain blouse with border. And e saree pricing and details 7,297. Take a screenshot along with the code I80 and send us on 733 733 7000. Beautiful saree. Let's see another gorgeous saree. Wow, pink and navy blue, so gorgeous saree, rich saree andi. All over dolls vachai, florals, dolls, diamonds. And this is the border. diamond brocade and drawn mandalas, and beautiful cross lines with florals. Pallu, contrast pallu. Blouse is contrast with border. And the saree pricing and details. 20,499, MJ4535 is the code. So beautiful. Another gorgeous saree. Wow. Green with coffee brown. So beautiful. Cross lines with florals. So pretty saree. And border is too good andi. Contrast chala different ga undi. And very pretty peacocks and cross cutty border. And rich pallu, cross diamonds, diamond brocade complete ga with peacock border. So gorgeous andi. Chala bagundi saree. Color chala different ga undi. And this is the blouse, self brocade with border. Contrast blouse, contrast lo self brocade design ochindi. And ee saree pricing and details, it's a pure kanchi. 28,699. Take a screenshot along with the code I100 and send us on 733 733 7000. So beautiful andi, just lovely saree. I just loved it. Another beautiful saree, red and purple. All over blocks వచ్చాయి, intricate blocks. Border is cross cutty with floral vines and edge contrast. Pallu వచ్చేసి complete diamond blocks with cross lines and round booties. Big mandalas వచ్చాయి, అందులో peacock వచ్చింది. So pretty. And blouse is contrast purple color with border. And the saree pricing and details, 23,369. I86 is the code. Take a screenshot and send us on 733 733 7000. So gorgeous. Red. And మీకు ఏదైనా పర్టికులర్ కలర్ కావాలంటే యూ కెన్ మెన్షన్ ఇన్ ద కమెంట్ బాక్స్, నేను చూపిస్తానండి మీకు. వావ్, బ్యూటిఫుల్ గ్రీన్ విత్ పింక్ కాంబినేషన్, వెరీ లవ్లీ. కంప్లీట్ ఫ్లోరల్స్ వచ్చాయి ఆల్ ఓవర్ బాడీ. అండ్ బార్డర్ వచ్చేసి ఎలిఫెంట్ అండ్ పికాక్ బార్డర్స్ వచ్చాయి ఆల్టర్నేట్ గా, కాంట్రాస్ట్ బార్డర్. And pallu వచ్చేసి complete diamond brocade with side temples and peacock and elephant borders which alternate the downside. And this is the gorgeous contrast blouse with border. And ee saree pricing and details, 16,809. Take a screenshot and send us on 733 733 7000. Let's see another gorgeous saree. Complete gold and yellow. Superb ga undi. Very fabulous. All over in blocks with umbrella design. And beautiful cross cutty border with peacock border. Complete brocade cross lines with florals along with the paisley border. And let's see the blouse. Blouse is self color with border, tissue blouse. Complete gold andi, superb ga undi. And the saree price 22,959. Take a screenshot along with the code I92 and send us on 733 733 7000. And we ship globally within Hyderabad. Cash and delivery option kuda undandi. And for more collections, log on to our website, that is www.brandvandir.com. To visit our store, it's in road number 56, Jubilee Hills, near Peddamma Temple, and one more store is at road number 10, Banjara Hills. And look at this stunning saree. It's a tissue saree, pink andi, chala beautiful ga undi. All over floral vines vachai, silver zari to, and very big border, very gorgeous border with zigzag and florals and peacocks. And lovely pallu with curves, curvy brocade and florals and paisley border. And blouse vachesi self tissue blouse with border. So gorgeous andi, chala bondi pink color. And ee saree pricing and details, take a screenshot along with the code and send us on 733 733 7000. Beautiful saree. Another saree, let's see another gorgeous saree. Blue and beige color, half white color, all over floral vines with elephants, peacocks. Border, just a very big border with cross curdy and floral peacock border. This is the pallu, cross curdy, contrast pallu, cross curdy with peacock borders. Big and small peacock borders vachandi. And blouse is contrast self brocade with border. And ee saree pricing and details 20,139. Take a screenshot and send us on 733 733 7000. Wow, pink and green and చాలా pretty saree. Complete round booties వచ్చాయి, అంటే ఓవర్లాప్ అయ్యాయండి. Round booties in zigzag shape, big and smaller round booties, oval shape round booties. And this is the border, cross curdy with intricate star shaped florals. And this is the pallu, zigzag brocade with floral border, floral and leaf border. And blouse is contrast with border. And the saree pricing and details 20,495. See, 795 is the code. Take a screenshot along with the code and send us on 733 733 7000. ఈ సారీ డీటెయిలింగ్ ఒకసారి చూసేద్దాం. లెట్స్ సీ అనదర్ ప్రిటీ సారీ. గ్రీన్, వావ్, కంప్లీట్ ఫ్లోరల్స్ all over body, and the border is self color with diamond brocade. In the middle we got diamond and floral border with edge contrast, and the pallu is diamond brocade with florals. Blouse is contrast pink color with self brocade and border. And the saree pricing and details 23,369. Take a screenshot along with the code and send us on 733 733 7000. So gorgeous. అండ్ ఇందాక నేను చూపించాను కదండి పింక్ కలర్ సారీ, డిఫరెంట్గా వచ్చింది కదా. లెట్స్ హ్యావ్ అ లుక్. చాలా బాగుంది సారీ. Now back to our collection. Lovely purple and orange combination. Very beautiful. All over parsley booties and contrast border with floral vines, diamond brocade and thread diamond brocade. Zari and thread, both diamond brocades. Pallu zigzag brocade and lines with florals. And blouse, contrast, and the blouse is contrast with border. Superb ga undandi color combination, very lovely. And ee saree pricing and details 16,809. Take a screenshot along with the code MJ222202. Send us on 733 733 7000. Wow, blue with peach combination. Very beautiful saree. All over checks with peacocks and round booties, round floral booties. And border vachesi contrast with curves, parsleys and peacocks. This is the pallu. Drop booties and checks with birds and parsleys. Blouse is contrast with silk brocade along with the border. And a beautiful saree pricing and details 13,939. Take a screenshot along with the code and send us on 733 733 7000. Maroon saree with leaf booties and floral, small floral booties. And border is kaddi border. Pallu cross kaddi with huge floral and parsley booty. Blouse, self brocade blouse with border. And ee saree pricing and details 18,859. Take a screenshot and send us on 733 733 7000. Let's see another gorgeous saree. Pink and beige combination. Complete florals vachai. And border is contrast with round booties. Pallu completely floral brocade, contrast pallu. Blouse is contrast with border. Superb and lovely color. And ee saree pricing and details. Take a screenshot along with the code I74 and the price is 7,297. Send us on 733 733 7000. Very gorgeous saree. And we ship globally within Hyderabad. Cash and delivery option kuda available undandi. You can visit our store. It's in road number 56 Jubilee Hills near Peddamma Temple. And one more store is at road number 10 Banjara Hills, and they both are in Hyderabad. అండ్ ఇవే కాదండి, మీరు మిగతా శారీస్ చూడాలనుకుంటే కనుక మీ కన్వీనియంట్ టైం మాకు వాట్సాప్ చేయండి. 733733 నెంబర్కి మా కస్టమర్ ఎగ్జిక్యూటివ్ మీకు ఆ పర్టికులర్ టైంలో కాల్ చేస్తారు. సో దాట్ మీకు ఏ కలెక్షన్ కావాలో చెప్తే చూపిస్తారండి. ఫ్రమ్ దట్ ఆల్సో యూ కెన్ సెలెక్ట్ యువర్ సారీస్ అండ్ వీ షిప్ గ్లోబలీ విత్ ఇన్ హైదరాబాద్. క్యాష్ ఆన్ డెలివరీ ఆప్షన్ కూడా అవైలబుల్లో ఉంది. అండ్ దిస్ బ్యూటిఫుల్ మ్యాంగో yellow with royal blue combination is very lovely. All over thread around booties వచ్చాయి, self thread. And border వచ్చేసి contrast with temple booties and మధ్యలో అంతా floral jal with peacocks. Pallu completely brocade, curves and diamond and floral brocade. Blouse is contrast with border. And ee saree pricing and details 7051. Take a screenshot along with the code I76 and send us on 733 Yeah, Andy Ramya Krishnan Garu, I'll be showing this beautiful borderless saree. Now back to our collection. Follow us regularly in Instagram and Facebook Brand Mandir page, and alage YouTube lo kuda ma Brand Mandir page like cheyandi, share cheyandi, subscribe cheyandi and press the bell icon so that whenever we upload new collection you'll be getting notification. Let's see another beautiful saree. Lovely peach and navy blue combination, cross lines with florals and star booties. Pallu వచ్చేసి diamond brocade with lovely double peacocks, yalis, and pallu contrast with cross lines, diamonds and triangles along with the parsley booties downside. And blouse వచ్చేసి contrast plain blouse without border వచ్చిందండి. No, we got a border downside ఉంది. Yes, we got a border. And ee saree pricing and details 9265. Take a screenshot along with the code I87. Send us on 733 and we ship globally within Hyderabad. Cash and delivery option kuda available lo undi. ఇది వచ్చేసి బాటిల్ గ్రీన్ శారీ అండి, చాలా బాగుంది. సెల్ఫ్ కలర్, కంప్లీట్ కాపర్ జరీతో బ్లాక్స్ వచ్చాయి అండ్ వెరీ ప్రెటీ ఫ్లోరల్స్ ఇన్ ఇట్, రౌండ్ అండ్ ఫ్లోరల్స్ అండ్ హ్యూజ్ పాస్లే బూటీస్ వచ్చాయి, డిజైనర్ పాస్లే బూటీస్. అండ్ బార్డర్ వచ్చేసి కాపర్ జరీ కడ్డీ బార్డర్ బోత్ సైడ్స్. పల్లు కాపర్ జరీ బ్లాక్స్, very gorgeous, and the blouse is self color with border. Chala pretty ga undi, different ga undi. And ee saree price 17,629. Take a screenshot along with the code MJ4930. Send us on 733 yellow with peach combination, all over checks with leaf booties. Border plain ochindi, contrast with big mandalas, peacocks and florals in mandala. And pallu vachesi complete drop shape booties with elephant and peacock border. Contrast pallu and the blouse is contrast plain blouse. And ee saree pricing and details 14,759. Take a screenshot along with the code F912 and send us on 733 733 7000. Another beautiful saree, peachish pink with black combination, all over thread round booties with doll and flowers. Beautiful doll ochindandi, and this is the border with dolls and florals, peacocks, parrots, and pallu. Contrast with parrots, peacocks, dancing dolls, along with the floral vines, curvy border. Blouse vachesi contrast plain blouse with border. And the beautiful saree, pricing and details. 6,149. Take screenshot along with the code 75 and send us on 733 733 7000. Wow, very pretty saree, which is in blue and cream color. Complete florals vachai, all over thread floral booties and diamonds. Border vachesi zigzag and blocks vachindandi, gold and silver zari tho. Pallu is contrast with completely zigzags and floral booties and diamond brocade. Blouse is contrast with silk blocks vachandi, zari blocks and border. And the saree, pricing and details. 12,299. Take a screenshot along with the code and send us on 733 733 7000. And one more beautiful saree, pink color. Wow, so pretty pink. Complete curve lines vachai with floral booties. Kaddi pallu, kaddi border with round booties and florals. Pallu intricate lines vachayandi, lines to the border, and cross kaddi with huge floral booties. Blouse vachesi self color with border. You can go for contrast bottle green and royal blue, chala baguntayi. And for customized blouses, contact our brand R for Rupmani, another brand from Brand Mandar. Ee saree, pricing and details, 13,119. Take a screenshot along with the code and send us on 733 733 7000. And beautiful green booties vachai, flying birds vachai. Border is stems and birds along with the florals, and downside silver kaddi lines. Pallu stripes vachandi with paisleys, leaves and round booties tho. Lovely contrast blouse with border. And ee saree, pricing and details. 8,113. Take a screenshot and send us on 733 733 7000. Another beautiful saree, pink and grey, self thread booties vachai. Downside we got grey color big border with cross lines and intricate blocks, diamond blocks with kaddi border. Pallu is completely kaddi with florals, contrast pallu. And blouse is contrast with border and thread booties such as self thread booties. And ee saree, pricing and details, 4,263. Take a screenshot and send us on 733 733 7000. Another lovely saree, wow, brown color, all over booties vachai, floral booties. And downside we got very pretty border with horses, floral jal with horses, parrots and elephants, and along with the diamond brocade border. zari border. Pallu complete diamond brocade with intricate mandlas. ద్వారం లాగా ఉంది చూడండి, ఇక్కడ ద్వారం లాగా ఉంది, దాంట్లో ఫ్లోరల్స్ వచ్చాయి along with the peacock border, peacock and horse border. And blouse is self brocade blouse with border. And the beautiful saree, pricing and details 11,889. Take a screenshot along with the code and send us on 733 733 7000. And the last saree for today, lovely pink and grey combination, so pretty. Thread booties vachai with flying birds, and border is stems with florals and silver stripes vachai. And pallu is completely kaddi zari lines vachandi with paisleys, leaves, round booties. This is the blouse, contrast plain blouse with border. And e-saree pricing and details 7,871. Take a screenshot along with the code and send us on 733 733 7000. Let's see mannequins and their prices. Mannequin sarees వాటి prices తెలుసుకొని మళ్ళీ టేబుల్స్ పైకి ఒకసారి వెళ్ళిపోదాం. Very pretty white saree with purple combination, chala bagundi. Complete thread floral jal ochindi, downside half and half, and lovely pallu chudandi ento pretty color and beautiful color saree, superb andi. Ee saree price 14,759 along with the code I73. Send us on 733 733 7000. And that pretty blouse is from our brand, R for Rukmani. It's not included in blouse saree. Let's see another pretty saree. Lovely peach with brown maroon color, curvy lines with floral booties and very traditional border. Beautiful border, very gorgeous, and peacocks, diamonds. It's a bridal saree, very lovely pallu, so pretty. Blouse kuda chaala bagundi. This is the blouse. And ee saree pricing and details, it's a wedding saree, 28,699. I101 is the code. Take a screenshot and send us on 733 733 7000. And this beautiful saree, manchi lavender color andi, so pretty. Lavender with a combination of red, stunning red, and chala different combination, all over floral booties vachai. And the border is very lovely with cross cutty and peacocks with edge contrast green color. And this is the blouse pallu, and this is the blouse. You can customize this blouse, very pretty blouse, pure zari and pure kanchi. And take a screenshot for this saree and details 27,879, and the code is I81. Take a screenshot and send us on 733 733 7000. And ఇంతవరకు నేను చూపించిన సారీస్ ఒక్కసారి అలా రివైండ్ చేసేసుకుందాం. స్క్రీన్ షాట్ ఏదైనా మిస్ అయితే తీసేసుకోండి. ఇప్పుడు if you missed any screenshot, take a screenshot now. Come. And some more beautiful sarees are here. It is chala different combination, this one. So సో బ్యూటిఫుల్ సారీస్, బడ్జెట్ ఫ్రెండ్లీ సారీస్. చూసారు కదండి, బ్యూటిఫుల్ కంచి పట్టు. సమ్ ఆర్ వెడ్డింగ్ సారీస్ అండ్ సమ్ ఆర్ లైట్ వెయిట్ ఈజీ, చిన్న చిన్న ఫంక్షన్స్ కి కూడా కట్టుకోవచ్చు. అన్ని బడ్జెట్ ఫ్రెండ్లీలో ఉన్నాయి. అండ్ మీకు నచ్చితే కనుక వెంటనే స్క్రీన్ షాట్ తీసి మాకు వాట్సాప్ చేయండి. 7337337000 నెంబర్కి. ది సారీస్ వీవర్స్ ప్రైజెస్, దట్ టు ఓన్లీ ఫర్ 24 hours అండి. అండ్ వీ షిప్ గ్లోబలీ విత్ ఇన్ హైదరాబాద్. క్యాష్ ఆన్ డెలివరీ ఆప్షన్ కూడా అవైలబుల్లో ఉంది. అండ్ ఈ లైవ్ వీడియో ఏదైతే ఉందో ఇట్ వుడ్ బి సేవ్డ్ ఇన్ Instagram, IGTV and Facebook as well as YouTube. So within 24 hours మీరు ఎప్పుడైనా ఈ వీడియో చూడొచ్చు, లైవ్ వీడియో అనేది. అండ్ యూ కెన్ సెలెక్ట్ ద సారీస్ ఫ్రమ్ దాట్. ఆరామ్స్ సెలెక్ట్ చేసుకోండి. అండ్ మీకు నచ్చింది వెంటనే స్క్రీన్ షాట్ తీసి మాకు వాట్సాప్ చేయండి. And you can visit our store. It is in road number 56, Jubilee Hills near Peddamma Temple. And one more store is at road number 10, Banjara Hills, and they both are in Hyderabad. And రేపు 11 AM live లో బ్యూటిఫుల్ కలెక్షన్స్ తో మళ్ళీ మేము ముందుంటామండి. Until then, bye bye, good night, take care, love you all.